Hi everybody, today's the final part, the finishing of Rosie the Riveter. It feels a little excess to put a 25-inch quilt wall hanging on the long arm, but we're doing it because I actually need to practice my free motion quilting. So I am going to free motion quilt Rosie the Riveter. I don't think I'm gonna sell her, although I do have a couple markets coming up. I might put her up just to see. I'm not sure. It's the first one. I did make some mistakes along the way, but I did rip most of them and fix it. So she really looks great. It's a great pattern. It was very easy to follow. And I, again, have not done a whole lot of foundation paper piecing, so I do recommend this pattern. It was easy to follow. The instructions are easy. It was easy to print. I misplaced a couple of pieces and had to reprint them, and that was super easy. So yeah, I absolutely would recommend this. Now, I did have someone ask me, they said they couldn't find it. I had to buy it on Etsy, and it's through Pride and Joy Quilting. It wasn't, I couldn't get it on their website, but I did find it on Etsy through the original, the pattern maker. So let's get busy quilting, and fingers crossed that this whole free motion quilting thing on my long arm turns out good. Rosie is done. She's quilted. I did just experiment a little with quilting. So I did just some loop swirls around her, and then just on the lines here, nothing extra on her face or arms. Her shirt just has like just straight lines, and they were free motion. They're not perfect, but you know what? I'm okay with it. So now I'm going to add the binding, and she will be done. I don't know if you could see where I was talking about the lines on her shirt. Yeah, there we go. I really like the loops on the edge. I think it looks really good with this fabric. The loops look good with this fabric choice. I think it just worked out really well.